white bean soup recipe. This is also known as Tuscan bean soup. It's cheap, affordable and absolutely hearty and delicious. In a pan you want to take 25 grams of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil and melt it down. Then take a large onion and have it all chopped up. And also 2 cloves of garlic that have been crushed or chopped. Then you want 2 carrots that have been diced, 2 sticks of celery that's been diced, a leek, rather a large one, that's been chopped, washed and diced. And then just give that a little mix round. To that you're going to add 1 bay leaf. Then you want to add in either half a teaspoon of dried thyme or you can use a sprig of fresh, and I'm using a sprig of fresh rosemary, or again use 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary. Mix that all round. Then you're going to add in a 400 gram can of chopped tomatoes and a litre of good quality vegetable stock. Then add in 250 grams of cannellini beans. I've used canned ones because it makes life easier and you don't have to be soaking them overnight. Then just pop the lid on and you want to cook this for around about an hour until the carrot especially is really soft and tender. Keep stirring every now and again. Then one thing I love to do is add some cavolo nero, or you could add kale. This just takes 5 minutes to cook down. And then that's it. It is time to serve this beautiful hearty soup. It truly is warming, satisfying and will fill you up quite cheaply. The full recipe is on my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.